Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the controller or mouse supports DPI adjustments and that it's connected. Once connected, open your console settings, then go to Devices or Accessories. Navigate to the specific device entry. Make sure firmware is up to date. If the console prompts for an update, install it now. Doing this prevents mismatched options. After the update completes, return to the device page and locate the DPI or sensitivity option so you can begin precise changes immediately. You will now change the actual DPI values. Select the DPI or pointer sensitivity setting and pick a specific numeric value rather than presets when possible. Change in small increments, for example, 200 to 400 steps or 1 to 2% adjustments, so you can feel the difference. Once you set a value, test it in a controlled area of a game or the console menu to evaluate aim, cursor speed, or navigation. If it's too fast, decrease gradually. If too slow, increase in the same small steps. After you find a comfortable DPI, save the settings and perform a full calibration or aim training session in your game to lock in muscle memory. Make sure to use consistent test scenarios so comparisons are valid. If performance worsens, revert to the previous value and try intermediate steps instead. If the console doesn't apply changes, power cycle the device and console, then reinstall or reflash firmware. This often clears communication errors. If problems persist, try a different USB port or consult device support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.